Hi, I'm Matt, and this is Matt's Creative Ideas. So in this week's Creative Ideas, I wanted to do something kind of different. I wanted to do video comics. So this year I want to do at least 3 uploads a week, and I want video comics to be one of them. So I wanted to get your opinion on what video comics you like the best. This first one with this music. And this one with narration. Brass Eagle Adventure Team and the Savage Island. Thanks for coming in on such short notice. I have a tough assignment for you two. You're welcome. What's the assignment? Please have a seat. This is Kraken, a small stratovolcano island about 20 miles west of our coastline. It's the only island in this part of the Northwest Pacific Ocean. What makes the island unusual is the caldera and the rainforest that flourishes within it. Also, if you want to create video comics for me to share, I'd love to share your video comics. Oh, and also, I'll give you a little shopping list for this next DIY project that we're going to be doing. So in some of my future how-to videos, we're going to be using paper straws. You can pick these up in any store. And also bamboo skewers, jumbo bamboo skewers. Thanks again. We'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Hey, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And click that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.